Oh my gosh, when you see how cute this is, there's literally flower petals like suspended in the water or in the oil. It is so beautiful. So a couple of months ago, you guys know that I did a video on the brand new Bounce Curl Define brush. This has become my all-time favorite curly hair brush. This brush literally went viral, sold out, and now is going to be back in stock very, very soon. So gearing up for this relaunch of the Define brush, I decided to try like a lot of other products from Bounce Curl because believe it or not, I've actually never tried any of their products. So I'm just gonna open this on camera with you guys. I'm so excited. By the way, if you guys didn't know, the owner, Marianne, is actually Middle Eastern, and that was pretty cool for me because I come from pretty much the same culture. So anyways, all right, let's see. What do we got? Let's see. Ooh, okay, let me take this out first. I bought another brush from her because I freaking loved the Bounce Curl Define brush so much. I was like, I have to try a detangling brush. Here, let me open this up so I can show you guys. Okay, there we go. So this is the Bounce Curl Flexible Detangling Brush. It literally is the same exact color and same feeling as the Define brush. And look at it. Okay, oh my gosh. So when I saw this, it literally reminded me of my brush that I bought from Amazon for like $6 that I love so much. Now looking at them, they literally look exactly the same. And I'm thinking this Amazon duped the original Bounce Curl. So I'm sorry, Marianne, if you're watching this video, I'm sorry for buying the dupe, okay? I didn't know you had one. But literally, like, look, they both are super, super flexible. Like the whole head moves. And you guys know I love this detangling brush so much, especially in the shower because it is so gentle because of how flexible it is. And the bristles are so like soft. It will not pull or tug your hair at all. Let me see this one. Okay, the Bounce Curl one, the bristles aren't as flexible, but the bristles are smaller actually. But it has that same like flexible movement. Look at that. Very cool. I can't wait to try this out in the shower. Let me see the size. Are they the same size? The Bounce Curl one is a tiny bit bigger, but I mean, yeah, pretty much. Can't wait to try this out in the shower. Oh no, not now, not now. I don't want to mess up my curls. Next, what do we got in here? I'm like closing my eyes like this is Christmas or something. I got this. I believe this was just like a travel size. So this is the Bounce Coil. This is the Bounce Curl Moisture Balance Leave-In Conditioner. I have been finding that since my hair is damaged and I'm in recovery, I've been finding that leave-in conditioners are a must for me because my hair is so dry. In the beginning, I thought I could get away with using gels only, but it would make my hair feel super dry. Then when I started using leave-ins, I noticed like, okay, this is what my hair needs. I think I need to go more towards cream stylers because I feel like when your hair is damaged, cream is your best friend. But I could never find cream stylers that were light enough for my fine, thin hair. You know, everything was like heavy butters, heavy oils. But this really intrigued me because literally the owner, Marianne, she was saying that her hair is fine and thin. So she kind of created these products to be versatile and to be able to work for all types of hair. I love right here that it says in Arabic, زيت الحبة السوداء, which means black seed oil. So for those of you guys that don't know, black seed is a very popular thing in like the Middle Eastern world. And in the religion Islam, there's even like a hadith that says like black seed oil can cure everything except for death. So I love that she has black seed oil in here. Fun fact, I'm taking black seed oil as a supplement for my thyroid. It's really, really good for you. And I really want to smell this because I know Marianne is all about, she's a chemist herself and she's all about natural ingredients that are good for you. There's nothing in here that will be bad for your health. She understands that this stuff can go into our scalp and into our body, so there's nothing harmful. Oh yes, I love the smell. See, this has that very natural, I would say a little earthy, but a little bit sweet. There's nothing synthetic about this scent. I love it. Even like, I feel like maybe it's some of the oils that are in here, but it literally reminds me of the Middle East. Let me see what is in here. It has rose oil and fenugreek botanicals. Yeah, I cannot wait to try this leave-in conditioner. All right. Next, let's go in with the other small one. I also picked up, this is the Ayurvedic deep conditioner. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And in Arabic, once again, it says Zayt al-Habba Sauda, which is the black seed oil. This is interesting, right? Because you guys are gonna think I'm crazy from the next words that are gonna come out of my mouth. But I realized that since my hair has become so fine and thin that I can't use deep conditioners anymore. I know, right? That sounds so crazy. All deep conditioners were weighing my hair down. And I found that like 90% of deep conditioners out there have shea butter or have castor oil. Like they have extremely heavy oils. So when I looked at this, I noticed that like the top ingredients, there was no heavy oils in it. I was like, hold on, this might be a deep conditioner that I can get on board with. So I bought just a small sample size of this and I'm going to try it out and I'm going to deep condition my hair for the first time in like a few months because I've only been conditioning my hair lately because it literally cannot take anything heavy. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this. Ooh, we gotta smell it. Let's smell. Also, I love the packaging on all this, how it has like, I think this is supposed to be the owner, Marianne. Yeah, I love the green. Green is my favorite color. It's always been my favorite color since I was a kid. Green like Mother Nature. Let's see what this smells like. That smells very good. It smells like a sweet oil. All right, next, let's see what we got here. Bubble wrap. Okay, I want to make a mess. I'm making a mess. Next, we got the Bounce Curl Light. What the heck? Why can't I talk today? Next, we got the Bounce Curl Light Oil. This packaging, you guys, is so freaking cute. This is a oil that can actually be used on your hair, skin, or nail cuticles. I love this because it says, growing up as a Middle Eastern woman, including oils in my beauty routine has been a blissful ritual of mine since I was a child. The oils my grandmother used on my skin and hair resulted in super soft skin and shiny hair. This light oil is a beautiful blend of flower petals and 100% naturally derived organic oils that have worked wonders for me. So once again, I bought this because this was a lightweight oil, which is another thing that's pretty hard to find. And also, you guys, oh my gosh, when you see how cute this is, there's literally flower petals like suspended in the water or in the oil. It is so beautiful. I don't want to try it right now, but I'm not going to. But I will smell it. Let me smell it. I don't think it has a scent actually. Yeah, there's no scent. These are organic oils, guys. There's nothing artificial in here. Yeah, this just has a mixture of a lot of different oils and I can't wait to try this. Literally the cutest thing in the world. And you get a big size. What is this? This is 3.5 fluid ounces. It's like heavy though, and it's glass. Love this. This is so cute. Next. All right, we got a full-size product. I got the Bounce Curl Hairspray. This is a stronghold and alcohol-free hairspray. Once again, in Arabic, it says that Zayt al-Habba Sauda. I picked up this hairspray because there has been a new trend in the curly hair world where hairsprays are in. I say new trend kind of in quotation marks because if you go back about 20 years ago, they were using hairsprays on curly hair. So although we like to think we invented that, or whoever thinks they invented it nowadays, it's been existed. But yeah, it's so hard to find hairsprays that don't contain silicones. So this is a hairspray that doesn't contain silicones. It's stronghold and it has very simple ingredients and it has the black seed oil that I love. It's gonna be a first for me, like ever putting hairspray in my curly hair actually. So this is gonna probably be a video all by itself. Yeah, watch out for that. Next, we have another full-size product. So this is the Bounce Curl Defining Butta with that black seed oil extra moisture. This says it's a butter used for wash and goes, twist out, and protective styles. So this is actually one of the heavier products that she has in her line. And the reason why I picked this up is because I actually want to do a video where I use all of Bounce Curl's stylers to see like which ones work the best for me. I also read reviews on people that had my hair texture and they said that they liked this. Even though it says defining butter, I picked it up and I think it's gonna still work for me. So I don't think she actually has anything that's too heavy in her whole line. So yeah, but this will be very interesting to see. Let's smell it. I don't think it actually has a scent. Wow. I like that. Next, we have a whole curly trial travel kit. So this is one of, I believe, 3 kits that she has on her website. One is for wavy hair, curly hair, and coily hair. So of course, I bought the curly hair. This is for type 3 hair. So let's open it up. Inside you get 4 trial size products and this cute little pouch. Woo! Okay, everything's falling out though. So first, this comes with the Bounce Curl Gentle Clarifying Shampoo. This has pomegranate and pumpkin enzymes, and then that black seed oil. And then it has a Bounce Curl Ayurvedic Deep Conditioner. I don't know if I missed this, but I bought a deep conditioner by itself. I didn't know this came in this. Did I make a mistake? I think I accidentally, because I wouldn't have bought another one. I thought a different conditioner came in this packet. I'm gonna have to double check that. But yeah, since my hair is so fine and thin, I find that I'm having to clarify so much more frequently. So this is gonna be perfect to try out. This conditioner is really throwing me off because I really thought that it was supposed to be a different conditioner in here in this little pack. Oh wow, that one actually has more of a fragrance than the other ones, but still like pretty natural scent, nothing artificial. So there's that. And then we also got the Bounce Curl Avocado and Rose Oil Clump and Define Cream. This is one of the things that I'm most excited about because, like I said before, my hair has been loving creams, and I think this cream is gonna be so perfect. I heard it's like a lightweight cream that's good for fine, thin hair like mine, but it will help, you know, with the dryness that I'm suffering from because my curls are damaged and just give it like some more definition. So yeah, it has that black seed oil. Let me smell this. You know what? It has a very similar scent to the other line, the other products in the line. It's a very faint scent, nothing offensive at all. And then there's the Bounce Curl Light Hold Cream Gel. This is also another thing that I'm like, I can't believe I didn't try it all this time. This is like one of the first products that she had that went viral. It's a gel that so many people love, and I've never tried it. I'm so late to the whole Bounce Curl. Like, I know it's been out for years. People have hyped it up now, but I'm late to the bandwagon. I kind of went through a long phase of not caring about curly hair and not wearing my hair curly. Now I'm back. I'm literally obsessed. I can't open this. I don't know why I'm trying to smell the gel. I'm sure it won't really have that much of a scent. Let's see. Actually, this smells like coconut. Has to be coconut in here, right? There's the black seed oil, glycerin, jojoba, oats. Why am I smelling coconut? Yeah, I'm getting like coconut smell. I don't know. Hey, we're gonna try it though. Last but certainly not least, I got this water mister bottle. Once again, love the packaging. Like, look at just, oh, it matches. Look at the aesthetic, guys. The green, and then like, I love the design on the box too. Very Middle Eastern vibes, like carpet, the carpets that they have in the Middle East. Yeah, this is just a water mist spray bottle, but it has the Bounce Curl logo right here. I just wanted to try something different from the one that I normally have, just to see, because I actually have never tried like a more higher end water bottle. I just want to see if these work any differently. But yeah, very, very cute. And I believe that was everything that I got from Bounce Curl. A lot of products. Definitely have to hide these from my husband so he doesn't see all of this and like, what the heck is all this? I literally cannot wait to try these products out, you guys. I apologize in advance because the next couple of videos are gonna be Bounce Curl because I'm about to use this and film so much. So yeah, look out for that. I'm gonna be giving you guys honest reviews as always and demos of every single thing that's featured in today's video. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!